adventurers! Today, we're exposing 3 of the most dangerous scams in 2026. SMS phishing, AI voice scams, and crypto traps. Let's see how to avoid them. Subscribe for free, and let's stay safe online together, nyaa? Okay, my friend just texted me. OMG, is this you in the photo? And there's a link sitting right under it.
My brain just booted up curiosity.exe, and it's charging a Kamehameha at the link.
Strange.
Stop. That's the oldest trick in the spellbook. It's like a shadow clone. Looks legit, but it's bait.
Rule 1. Pause. If it's urgent and it has a link, treat it as suspicious.
All right, for science, let's pretend we don't know it's a trap. We click.
Wait, it wants my login? That feels weirdly normal.
That's the trap! This isn't a real login page.
These you links often redirect you to a malicious site. It can steal your credentials or even try to drop malware.
And once they have your password, they can hijack your account. Then message your friends with the same bait.
3 things you never do here. 1. Don't click. 2. Don't type your password. 3. Don't reply or argue with the message.
Okay, if you typed anything, change your password now.
Then enable 2-factor authentication and check for suspicious logins or active sessions.
If you shared bank or card info, call your bank and block the card immediately.
Here's the defense combo. Simple and repeatable. Pause. Breathe. Don't click. Verify. Contact your friend outside the app to confirm. Block and report. Use the platform's report button. Delete. Don't keep the bait in your inbox. Oh, my mommy's calling. What's up, nyaa?
Sweetie, it's me. Don't hang up. I'm in trouble. I need money right now.
Mia, something is off. Your mom wouldn't open with "send money right now."
It's a classic trap. First, the screen can lie. With spoofing, a scammer can fake the caller ID to match a real contact's number, so your phone may display the name you saved for that contact.
The voice can lie too. With AI, scammers can clone a voice from a short clip posted online.
If anything feels off and they ask for money, don't let panic drive. Hang up.
Then call them back using your real contact list, not any number they give you.
Hey adventurers, I've got a special quest for you. I turned $200 into $5,000 with this crypto app. Want the link?
No. Something smells like a mimic chest.
Classic crypto scam. It usually starts with an unexpected message, a fake success story, and a promise of easy money.
That's the point. Fake platforms are made to look polished.
And once you deposit money, the app may show fake profits to keep you investing more.
Then when you try to withdraw, they hit you with the next trap. Taxes, fees, or one last payment to unlock your funds.
So, if a random dude offers infinite gold with 0 risk, that's not a side quest. That's a scam boss. Now you know how to spot some of the worst scams in 2026 and avoid these traps before it's too late. If this video helped you, subscribe for free, share it with someone you care about, and stay safe out there, nyaa! Love you and have a meow blessed day or night.